all other appointees of government to always look back, refresh their minds, look from where we're coming from, what brought us here. It is the votes. There's no word called technocrats. They are all political appointees. There's no single word called technocrat. I'm a professor. I was a consultant with several international bodies, but I never came on the basis of the fact that I'm a technocrat. Everybody's technocrat. Everybody who is schooled is a technocrat. There's no single person who is not a technocrat. But once you are given a political appointment, you are a politician. Simple and short. So, in 2027, as a party chairman, I will stand strong to defend the position that if you're not prepared to join us, you shouldn't be given appointment. We encourage and support the members of political party to be in position. If you are a technocrat, go and be a consultant. But not taking political appointment and not going back to support the party that brought you to power. If all of us decide to be, if all the appointees decide to become technocrats, the party will never return back to power. So there's nothing like technocrats. And as a party chairman, I stand with the position of that they are all political appointees of our party, the APC. When I look at the numbers of registered, that's the members that have registered so far as members of APC on our e-registration platform, out of the 6 regions, it is only the Northwest that has hit up to 20% of the total registered members of the APC. But we will not give up as North Central. So far, you have the largest number. And the good news also is that out of the people that registered in the Northwest, 48% of them are people within the age of 18 and 35. At the national level, we have the average is 47%. But in the Northwest has the highest number of young people who are registered as members of the APC, making 48% in terms of numbers. It means the young people own this party. Because people within the age of 18 and 49, they form roughly about 83% of the registered members of the party. All those of us who are 50 years and above, we just form 17%. Now, these are you've joined us now. So you are no more among those people who own the party. Minister of Youth has a big job to do. The party belongs to the young people. It's your party. You're the critical factor that this party will not play with. You're the drivers of this party.